Okay, flood damage update. It is just about exactly 2 months since we came home to the flood. And this is where we're at. Sheetrock ripped out. Basically, I have a skeleton downstairs that used to be all finished, but no progress as far as any rebuild. We're at a state of stagnation continuing. Go on upstairs. Basically, no ceilings. All the hardwood in the whole house has been ripped out. Bathrooms gutted. And pretty much this is the way it is. All the hardwood floors out. Kitchen completely gutted of what's left. All of the hardwood out in the whole ground floor. Upstairs, not much has changed. Just walls still out. And that's where we stand. Waiting for insurance company to come through with money. So here you have it.